Okay, good day guys. So ngayon ay pag-uusapan natin ang tungkol sa obviously GEMDAS rules or tinatawag ito ng iba na order of the operations. So pag-uusapan natin ngayon, ano ba ang gamit ng GEMDAS rules? Paano ba natin ito i-apply every time na magsosolve tayo ng equation? Usually, nagagamit lamang ito kapag yung equation natin ay merong involved ng mga iba't ibang uri ng operations, 2 or more operations involved. So, paano ba natin sila isosolve ng tama? So, in this case, every time na magsosolve tayo ng equation na maraming operations ang involved, always remember that we're going to start our solution or we start from left to right. Magsisimula tayo sa left, then papunta sa right. Then, while doing that, kailangan natin i-observe itong GEMDAS rules. So, ano nga ba ang GEMDAS rules? So, GEMDAS stands for G for groupings. So, meron tayong tatlong uri ng groupings dito. We have the parentheses, we have the bracket, and we have the braces. Ito yung mga iba't ibang uri ng grouping symbols na makikita natin every time we're going to deal with an equation with multiple operations. Pagkatapos niyan, we have E for exponents. Ibig sabihin, ito yung mga number raised to the power of an exponent or merong exponent or in exponential form. So, kailangan natin silang bantayan. Pangatlo is the MD. So, MD stands for multiplication or division. So, we have AS, addition or subtraction. So, paano ba natin i-apply yung rules na to? So, susundin lang po natin yung bawat isang abbreviation. So, una, sabi dito, we're going to do first whatever inside the parentheses. So, kailangan kapag nagsosolve tayo ng equation, titingnan natin, i-observe muna natin yung equation if meron bang numbers or equations na nasa loob ng parentheses. So, kapag meron ganun, so whatever inside the parentheses should be done first. So, may mga instances na yung isang equation, merong malaking groupings, and then sa loob ng isang malaking groupings, meron pang maliit na groupings. So, if that case will happen, palagi natin isi-solve yung pinakamaliit na groupings, yung nasa loob or pinakaloob na groupings. So, after we identify the groupings, isa-solve na natin sila, then sunod natin i-observe is yung mga naka-exponent. So, lahat ng numbers na naka-exponent or anything that has an exponent should be simplified first. Isi-simplify natin. So, gagawin muna natin silang whole number. After that, kapag nawala na tong groupings, nawala na rin ang exponent, kasi sinolve na natin whatever inside or naman yung naka-exponent or yung naka-groups, puproceed na tayo sa MDAS. So, MDAS means multiplication, division, addition, and subtractions. At hindi po ibig sabihin na dahil nauuna si multiplication, ay uunahin natin palagi si multiplication. At isusunod si addition, sunod si division, addition, and subtraction. No. So, kaya po tayo may or dito. Kaya inuna ko si MD, ibig sabihin, uunahin natin, uubusin natin lahat ng multiplication at saka division. But it doesn't mean na uunahin natin palagi si multiplication. It always starts from the left. Kung alin man ang nauuna sa kanilang dalawa, yun yung uunahin natin i-solve. For example, sa equation natin ay nauna si multiplication. So, i-multiply muna natin. Kapag nauna naman si division, uunahin natin si division at isusunod si multiplication. So, ibig sabihin po nito, alin man sa kanila ang mauuna from left to right, we're going to solve it first. Ubusin po muna natin lahat sa isang equation, si multiplication or division. After we're done with the multiplication and division, that would be the time that we're going to follow the addition and subtraction. Ganun pa rin po yung rules. Alin man ang nauuna sa kanila from left to right, yun yung uunahin natin. If nauna si addition, then uunahin natin si addition, then sunod si subtraction. Pag nauna naman si subtraction, uunahin natin si subtraction, then isusunod natin si addition. In that case, magkakaroon tayo ng pare-parehong sagot in a given equation. So, parang nakakalito. So, para mas maunawaan natin, meron ako dito examples na susundan natin para mas maunawaan natin at may i-apply natin yung GEMDAS rules in solving a particular equation. So we have your example, evaluate the given equation. So kung napapansin nyo, may equation tayo dito. That is 5 times the quantity 32 divided by 2 times the difference of 10 and 8 raised to the power of 2 divided by 10 equals n. So this is an equation. So kailangan nating gamitan to ng GEMDAS rules kasi kung napapansin nyo, marami tayong operations na involved. At saka, meron tayong groupings. So unang-una is we're going to follow the GEMDAS rules. Observe muna natin yung equation. Una natin titingnan, meron bang groupings? Yes, meron tayong groupings. Isang malaking groupings at isang maliit na groupings. Pangalawa, meron ba tayong naka-exponent? Meron tayong naka-exponent. Ibig sabihin nito, dahil naka-parenthesis siya, nasa labas ang exponent, ibig sabihin yan, whatever the answer inside the parenthesis should be raised to the power of 2. Kaya nasa labas siya, hindi po siya 8 to the power of 2. Ibig sabihin, kung ano man ang answer sa loob, i-raise natin to the power of 2. So since alam na natin na meron tayong groupings, meron din tayong exponent, that would be the time na magsisimula na tayo. So ang uunahin natin is sa groupings. So isa-solve natin itong nasa loob. Kaso nga lang, yung nasa loob, ay merong groupings pa rin. Itong maliit. So, ibig sabihin, isa-solve natin whatever inside the parenthesis, and that is 10 minus 8. So, 10 minus 8, that gives us 2. So, ibig sabihin, dahil na-solve na natin ang answer nito ay 2, ibig sabihin, si 2 ay i-raise pa natin to the power of 2, kasi yun yung sagot nito. So, ibig sabihin, whatever inside the parenthesis should be raised to the power of 2. Para hindi tayo malito, ililista natin yun sa baba. So, that would be 2 to the power of 2. So, copy lang natin yung ibang mga hindi pa natin nagagalaw. So, in this case, we have this equation. Ngayon, meron pa rin ba tayong groupings? Yes, yung malaking groupings. Sa loob ng groupings, ito yung isa-solve natin. So, meron tayong naka-exponent, kaya isi-simplify muna natin siya. So, 2 to the power of 2, that means 2 times 2. So, that gives us 4. So, isa-solve ulit natin. So, meron pa rin tayong groupings. Hindi pa natin isa-solve yung equation sa loob ng groupings. So, isa-solve natin sila ngayon. So, ano bang nasa loob ng groupings? It has 32 divided by 2 times 4. So, gamitan natin ng GEMDAS. So, meron tayong division and multiplication. So, alin ang uunahin natin sa kanila? Magdi-divide or mag-multiply? So, yung iba, susundin nila is mag-multiply kasi GEMDAS rules nga. Again, sabi ko kanina, alin man ang mauuna sa multiplication or division, yun yung uunahin natin. Since dito nauna si division, so we're going to divide it first. 32 divided by 2, that gives us 16. 16 times 4, that will gives us 64. So, ang sagot sa loob ng parenthesis ay 64. So, since meron tayong sagot, hindi na natin kailangang kopyahin ang parenthesis kasi may sagot na tayo. So, kokopyahin lang natin is 5 times 64 and then divided by 10. So, ito na yung panibago nating equation. So, in this equation, kung napapansin nyo, it says 5 times 64 divided by 10. So, alin kaya ang uunahin natin isa-solve dito? Multiplication or division? Yes, tama. So, we're going to multiply. Bakit? Kasi from left to right, ang naunang operation ay multiplication. That's why it means we're going to multiply first. 5 times 64, that gives us 320. Then, divided by 10, that gives us 32. So, the answer for this equation is 32. So, hope na naunawaan natin or nabigyan linaw kung paano ba natin bibigyan or paano ba natin susundin ang GEMDAS rules. Para mas maunawaan natin, I have here another example. So, evaluate the given equation. So, una, observe muna natin ang equation natin. Follow natin ang GEMDAS. Meron ba tayong groupings? Meron. Meron ba tayong maliit na groupings? So, in this case, kung napapansin nyo, meron tayong exponent sa loob. So, isi-simplify muna natin siya bago tayo mag-multiply. So, in this case, nasa loob ang exponent. That means 8 to the power of 2. 8 to the power of 2, that is 8 times 8, that is 64. So, that is 4 times 64. Now, ready na tayo. 4 times 64, and that gives 256. So, may sagot na tayo dito, 256. Now, we can have divided by 8. So, may groupings pa rin, kaya isa-solve natin to. 256 divided by 8, and that is 32. So, hindi na natin kailangang kopyahin ng parenthesis kasi may sagot na tayo dyan. That is 32. Multiply it by 3. 3 times 32, and that gives us 96. So, the equation or the answer for that equation is 96. So, next. So, dito naman tayo. So, again, observe natin yung exponent or groupings. So, may nakikita ba tayo dyan na groupings? Yes, meron tayong groupings. Ito yung isosolve natin. Una, dito nakafocus ang mata natin. Sa loob niyan, that is 2 times 7 plus 5 to the power of 2. So, merong naka-exponent. So, kailangan muna natin simplify yan. So, what is 5 to the power of 2? That is 5 times 5. That is 25. Ayan, 25. Ngayon, kopyahin lang natin yun sila. So, para hindi tayo malito. So, pasensya na. Ayan. So, ito yung nasa loob ng groupings. So, kailangan natin i-simplify. Alin kaya ang uunahin natin dyan? So, we have multiplication and we have addition. Alin ang mauuna? GEMDAS rule, so mauuna ang multiplication. So, 2 times 7, that gives us 14. Then, we're going to add 25. So, 25 plus 14. So, that gives us 39. Okay. So, 39 ang sagot ng 2 times 7 plus 5 to the power of 2. Eh, meron pa tayong natitirang 6 times. So, kopyahin na natin yan. 6 times 39. So, 6 times 39 is equal to 234. 234. So, the answer for that equation is 234. So, sana nasusundan tayo, no? At naunawaan kung paano natin i-apply yung GEMDAS rules. So, I have here another example. So, observe tayo, marami tayong groupings. So, para hindi tayo malito, meron yan dito ang bracket. So, ito yung uunahin natin i-solve. Sa loob ng parenthesis, meron tayong maliit na parenthesis. So, ito yung uunahin natin. So, 10 minus 3 to the second power. So, simplify natin to. 3 times 3, that is 9. 9. So, naiwan na lang ay 10 minus 9. 10 minus 9, that is 1. So, meron pa tayo natitira. Kopyahin natin. That is 2 plus 3. So, ito na yung natitira dito. So, 3 plus 2 times 1. Alin ang uunahin natin? Tama, multiplication. Kasi GEMDAS rules. 2 times 1, that is 2. Plus 3. 2 plus 3. And that is 5. So, ang sagot nitong nasa loob ng malaking parenthesis ay 5. So, meron tayong natitirang 3. So, we're just going to multiply it by 3. 3 times 5, that gives us 15. So, sa answer for that equation is 15. Nawaan po ba? Okay. So, for this example, ito naman. So, 15 minus 6 plus 4 minus 1 times 2 to the power of 3. So, meron tayong mga groupings. So, sabi, unahin natin yung mga groupings at exponent. Ito, simplify natin. 15 minus 6, and that is 9. 4 minus 1, that is 3. Kopyahin lang natin yung mga operations in between. And then times 2 to the third power, that is 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. So, ayan na. So, alin ang uunahin natin? Tama, 3 times 8, that is 24. Next is plus 9. 9 plus 4, that is 33. So, the answer for this equation is 33. So, ganun lang po ang ways on how are we going to apply the GEMDAS rules in a given equation. So, hopefully na may natutunan tayo ngayong araw na to ng panibago. So, good luck and God bless.